Hey guys, how are you? So today our topic is how we get Google Ads 2000 credit 2023. So in this video I am telling you how you can find 2000 credit Google Ads. So we're starting a video. Let's running within your Chrome browser. I'm already typing the keyword that you can see Google Ads. You can simply write here Google Ads new user offers. Okay, after you clicking on, you can downside you can see here, yeah, clever ads. Okay, so you just simple way to get 2000 credit. So you can click on Google Ads promo code, get your Google Ads coupon. Okay, so you just simple clicking on here. You can see if you are reading this, it because you want a free Google Ads promo code. That's right, we want yes, we want a Google Ads promo code, yeah, promo coupon code. So you just clicking on here, get my Google Ads promo. You can also see here, reach the right customer and grow your business giving a low cost. Start advertising like a pro with Cloud Ads, Google Ads promo code. Having your discount automatically applied, don't move a finger. Okay, so you just clicking on get my Google Ads promo. After you clicking here, you can put your uh, sorry, you should not putting your mail. You also making an account on the Cloud Ads. Okay, so you just putting your email. I'm putting my old email here, and also use those mails that you didn't use before. Okay, so you just clicking on and putting the password again, and accept and create an account. We just it yeah, you can see here, check your inbox. One last thing, verify your email address. I'm also got notification from my mobile, and we also check on the browsers, so we can check here. Yeah, we get the confirmation instruction, like you can see spot, and yeah, you can see here confirmation my account, and we're clicking on the confirm my account, and you can see Google Ads, TikTok, Bing Ads, Facebook Ads, Instagram Ads, Twitter Ads. That's mean you can run your campaign like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok Ads, Google Ads. So we just clicking on the connect with Google Ads, clicking on the old mail, continue. Yeah, and we are connected with Google Ads. Okay, connect your ad account, manage your full advertising, connecting all your ads. You can also create an account with connect existing one letters on the dashboard. Okay, so we are connected with our Google Ads with through Clever Ads, and you can simply get the further procedure, further steps, and you can get 1000 to 2000 credit on your Google Ads. So hope so guys you enjoy the video and the video is helpful for you. So we meet the next video. Until we bye bye, tata. And one more thing, we make another video if we get 500 likes on this video. So we making on the next video on the next step of the Google Ads 2000 credit, and you will helping out your social accounts boost very quickly. So we meet you in the next video, and framing in your the next. So we will meet you in the next video. Till you, bye bye, see you.